No boy and no boss for the unruly. Pussy I make talk with the whole fooling.
Yeah, damage music.
Drive by shooting.
Mobile.
The mode fast, make on the sorting. 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 On the sorting. The mode fast, make on the sorting. On the sorting. The mode fast, make on the sorting. On the sorting. The mode fast, make on the sorting. On the sorting. On the sorting. Me nah no done na who you man. The mode fast, make on the sorting. On the sorting. Me nah no done na who you man. On the sorting. The mode fast, make on the sorting. On the sorting. Me nah no done na who you man. On the sorting. The mode fast, make on the sorting. On the sorting. Me nah no done na who you man. On the sorting. The mode fast, make on the sorting. On the sorting. Me nah no done na who you man. On the sorting. Pussy made fast, make on the sorting. On the sorting. Me nah no done na who you man. On the sorting. Me nah no done na who you man. Boy, your life don't cost not even grand.
I woke up this morning, was born out in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England.
Yeah, my people. Yo, we have whole heap for unpacking of this, you know. But guess what? I yesterday me spend the whole day I do that vlog, yeah. And Popcaan St. Thomas Obi at work, you know. 1 hour and blood not 15 minutes worth of vlog, you know. Till me drop asleep and wake up and it a load. Till when me wake up, it delete by accident. Me I say I want the blood not this. Popcaan St. Thomas Obi a trang. That me have to start over here now, you see it. Cause the boy violate, you know. Now him via 9. You see me? Yeah, cause when you violate a 8,
Him pass the line and via 9.
you see me? So right now at the crime, you see me? 3-9. We represent where Jamal said the street represent for Sparta and Gaza, and a Jamal song around the road. You see me I say? Now watch this. At the sign, you know, at the universe attack, you know, for showing who a lead, you know. Remember, say the song where I run the road right now. A father. And who are the father? Remember, say a Vybz Kartel are the father, you know. Zane? That's why Jamal represent for Gaza and for Sparta. Because look what the universe has said. The universe has said, because Sparta defend Kartel against the Mosquito them we are bite him style. Zane, cause the Mosquito them forward in for bite the Gaza bar style, you know. You see me? Who the little nerd and word by the parta boss. You a coward cause you afraid for war the brata boss. You see me? Yeah, believe. So the Mosquito them swoop in upon the Gaza boss for bite him style. And Tommy Lee run in and mash them up, smoke them out. You see me? Them never want no smoke when Tommy Lee bring the smoke. Them have to run. You see me? And watch them take about 3 days for forward back with a song of Vybz Kartel. You see me? What them call system. Because them don't have a system of them own. Them are cuss because them never smart enough to develop a system. And I may have shown from what they say people love to cry about things where them can't control. The dunce but weak people them, Zinka, if them never did dunce, them would have smart enough to know, so them for go build them system in the music business for keep them music alive. Because of that, Vybz Kartel going at the music business, him see Bounty them and Sharon Burke have them system. Kartel go see Beanie Man have him system with Patrick Roberts. Because remember, you know, when Bounty sell out Kartel for Movado, big fame, you know. Seeing when the people them I eat the melody out of Movado and you know, and Bounty Killer go sell out Kartel, you know. Kartel Bunty try use him system for shut down Kartel song them, you know. But Kartel say, yo, no can't stop me because I go use Beenie Man system for go and make my music them get play. And Beenie Man DJ them, Beenie Man links them and everything, you see me? And then while Kartel do that, Kartel build him Portmore Empire. Him bring him videographer them, Nadia Rose. Him bring him producer them, Not Nice and Russian them and a bag of gang them, you see me? And him go so boom and bring everybody, him bring him artists, him bring all type of people, you see me? Till Kartel go write all the song for Merciless, say, dear mama, are your last boy learn this? Me just right to tell you everything, Chris. You see me? I say Kartel write that for the go rhythm. I which rhythm it depend? It depend on a Gaza rhythm. For sure, you them time the Kartel a run the game. See? Now Kartel say, yo, Popcaan was going to be the big famous star before Kartel go prison. See? When Kartel go prison, Popcaan go sign to Patrick. Popcaan go sign to Patrick Roberts them, you see me? That get Kartel mad. Make little Vybz and little Addy them say, them not trust Popcaan, you see me? Yeah, so we have to start from this and go now a quick rundown from where Popcaan a forward from and why him for understand himself. Because without Vybz Kartel, him wanna be where him is right now. You see me? Because Popcaan have this attitude like him bigger than everybody because him have Drake money to spend. And Popcaan say him not have no boss in that song ya. See? And him only make himself go take press. Him go take press from Massacre them who are this the whole of the Gaza and as this them boss. Zin, and then Alkaline go drop the song name No Emotion. Zin, and at this I don't throw some shades. Zin, me not really say Alkaline at this the Gaza still, you know, cause me hardly listen to him song, so me not sure what him really a say. But me hear what the vlogger them say, where them say Alkaline a say. Cause me hear them a say something about Alkaline a say, him no vent like Massacre, him only invent and reinvent himself. Which me can understand that. But me no hear nothing about this in the teacher array. But me hear them a say, the vlogger them a say, Alkaline, and them play a little piece out time song. Zina, so come me hear it. So me like the vlogger them a say Alkaline refer to some boss talk and try this the Gaza. Zin, but me never really match it up and see it. Cause you know when the universe talk to me have to bring it to you know, Zin. Because a long time the universe has shown me signs and wonders of the times, especially for future events. Zin? Now remember some want to know about the TJ thing, you know, look out for TJ snake Kartel, cause TJ go beg Kartel for give Mosquito strength. And when the Mosquito get his strength, him try switch and try betray the teacher cause him corrupt. Now we're gonna show you how the energy still a room cause the Mosquito and Trashy, you know, them left one energy where go round in the dancehall and it attach itself to the same corrupt artists them. All of the artists them are corrupt the Mosquito energy. Zinc the energy a come from outer space, you know. Just like how you see on your screen, you see how where Popcaan they look like space, or the home of where them energy come from. Cause me show you, remember me show you say the energy left Mosquito and Trashy, and then it go to Asian, make Asian now forget say a Tamil style him a use and him forget say a Tamil side him depend till Asian go so boom and a try style Kartel. And the people them before him, Zin by saying Asian say him a wall up dancehall and him a the biggest and best thing. Zin, so the energy left from Mosquito saying that to Asian and the energy still a go round. It reach DJ Mac where tries this Russian. Notice you know all of them aim is that the Gaza people them who are really run shit. Zin. And watch this. DJ McDonald, Zane, old McDonald, we say film the rhythm we make. YW something like I forgot where the thing there. Zane, DJ Mac rhythm. Him new rhythm. Him have Stone Boy on it. Zin? And him must say the biggest rhythm for how long and Ray and him a run dancehall with him rhythm them and him project them. I tried this Russian, Zin, the old McDonald I tried this a Russian. Just look at the sign of the universe attack. Zin, the old McDonald I tried this. Remember DJ. So the D and the J are it at the old McDonald. Zin? Yeah, the Donald we miss and the old. Zin? Yeah, cause remember so the J represent the 1600th century. When the J just forward in the alphabet, the J never was in the alphabet until in the 1600th century. Zin, that is like 400 years ago. Zin? And watch this now. I'm going to boom and the energy left from Mac. Zin? The energy got to Silk Bass. We say my crown and king. Zin? And watch this now. Remember the same Mosquito energy, you know. Which part Popcaan come from, the energy they come from, you know. Cause look how it tie back around to Popcaan. He make sure do that video in a black and white. I'ma say, yo, I love the black and white video where him do when I see it. Come here and say, yo, the black and white thing are just different. Nobody now really go black and white and red. You get me I say? So I love Popcaan do that. And then in garments where him wear the big clothes and how him go on. Mad in that video, yeah, Zin. But watch this. I could seal up everything first before we go in it. Zin. Then Popcaan go so boom, you know. Popcaan, no, the energy left from Silk Bass, Zin. And forward right round back to Popcaan. Cause guess what go on? The earth a fix itself. Everything a fix back. Everything a fix back. Remember, you know, these are the end times. These are really the end times, and Gaza, everything is sealed. Gaza cannot lose, we cannot lose. We cannot lose, we cannot lose. We cannot lose, we cannot lose. So here we go on now. Remember, you know, as I show you with one Kevin and Footer Hype, them look alike. And they're similar, them similarly the same. Them unloyal, they can't be loyal. They're very disloyal, right? Them two there. That's why them look alike. Them wear the same hat all the time. I hide them head top. Zin, me wear my pullover. I'm not always in a hat. Cause the pullover part of my image. Now watch this, you know. Remember me I explained to you about the one Kevin and Footer Hype. So the universe set them up for war, you know. The universe use one Kevin for bring down Footer Hype. Zin? I'm explaining to you about the Gaza uncle, or the universe bless him with a rough vice, and it bless one Kevin with a rough vice, because you see through the internet become this debating and argumentative type of world. Yeah, let's just say world. It's that space to argue and to, because you can't really go punch nobody in there unless you know for design, animation and them thing that you can make yourself become merely physical, Zin, or no, synthetical, yes. Because once we enter the digital space, we become synthetical, right? So that is the only way you can punch someone in their face, if you know how to pull strings within the matrix like Neo, Morpheus and Trinity. Yeah. So watch you know. Because so stick to the script. Now watch you know. Stick to the script. Matrix movie. Alright, watch this now. In the screen, yeah, see the galaxy like. Then you basically see the stars out of the galaxy. That is what the universe has shown we, you know. We're not saying that this is what Popcaan has shown we. And the universe attack. Bigger than the whole of them. Zin? So you have to see it how the universe has shown we. So remember, I'm showing us that the universe sent one Kevin for Footer Hype to bring him down. That's why Footer Hype bigger than Kevin in a body. Because it's not a physical fight. The universe provide one Kevin with a rough vice for bring down Footer Hype. Zin, same the universe give Gaza uncle the loud vice for bring down all of the ops them for Gaza, all of the Gaza ops them, the opposition them, we are trying to go against the Gaza. Because you know the argument, battle and debate, all the loudest voice win people quick. Remember say when God talk, you know, him have in voice of a trunk for we shiver and shake like thunder, you know. So I saw the universe and job bless Gaza uncle and bless one Kevin with a strong voice for use it for the right reason. But guess what? They're probably not the best and loyalist soldiers, you know. Zine, because everybody have them weakness. So guess what? Kevin is more quick for betrayal like Footer Hype because him them sort of made from the same chemical and minerals and everything, Zin, was spiritual. Zin, that's why them connected. So remember say if Foot Hype says suck me, you know, the vlogger them are go pierce up back. One Kevin replied to Foot Hype thing, you know, because the world, the exact people them see it as how the universe want them to see it. Because if Foot Hype got this one Kevin now, you know say Foot have a style where him love talk about, yo, me not call them name, forgive them no fame. Zin, but we know who Foot Hype attack when him make him talk. Zin, and when him had this one Kevin a them thing them say. So the vlogger them will hear one Kevin respond and play it as a Foot Hype this. So therefore Foot Hype have no control over how him want for him enemy them seeing in a light. Is the vlogger them control it and the universe control it. Because Footer wouldn't want to go listen what one Kevin a say, you know. So the universe set it away that the vlogger them are going to play what one Kevin a say and Foot Hype are going to see it. Because once the vlogger them run with it, Foot Hype can't hide from it. He must see it. Zihin? So the universe a work. Alright, so I'm showing you the similarities, but I'm showing you say one Kevin not so loyal, him just like Foot Hype almost. Because him fail the test, him forward out and this cartel. Remember say Foot Hype dep on the earth here from 2015 in the social media world of this cartel, you know. Zine, and the universe take about 6, 7, 8 years to bring one Kevin, you know. And one Kevin a falter because him can't hold it. Him merely closely designed like Foot Hype, so them love run from one county to the next county. That's why Foot Hype get kicked from Bounty, him gone to Beanie and all type of places. That's what I say. So watch this now. We explain that, Zin. So may I show you one and no see. Remember, you know, who was the first shortest guy in, who was the shortest man in a blood clot, Gaza? Zin, Blak Ryno. Zin, Blak Ryno, the first short youth with a sound similar to Popcaan. Because Popcaan come from the galaxy where you see on your screen. He must show you him, yeah. That is why that video you did that for black and white. And Popcaan know not what he have done. And that is why everything a connect, you know, universe attack. Watch you know. So remember say Blak Ryno did shot, you know, and Blak Ryno was the good warrior. Remember say Blak Ryno loyal to cartel, you know, more than Popcaan, you know, we know that. That's why Popcaan got tell lie in a 2013, in our 2012 sting, got tell lie about say him love cartel the most. Zin, he wanted, it was necessary for him to say that because that was his intention for get out Blak Ryno. His intention was to get out Blak Ryno. And that 2012 year they are sting, you know, Zin, we're going over to 2013, Zin. I'm sure it's 2012 sting. Or probably 2013 sting going into 2014. No, I believe a 2012 sting where Popcaan pushed Blak Ryno off high stage like a gal. Zin. And go talk about him love cartel the most. You know, say my dog them from Hungry Town did there on Popcaan though. My dog them did there. I true me no one call no name. My dog them from up a Gallingsville Road. I we there protect Popcaan. I me all feel a way when me see Popcaan push off Blak Ryno and Blak Ryno get that little L there. You see me, cause Blak Ryno get the L, you know, him pick up the L. And Popcaan get a double feed from the fans and in the sight of everything, Zin. So Me did kinda upset one week. I did rate Blak Ryno in the dog, and a long time me see the light, you know. Me know say Popcaan are the fake one, you know. Zane and Blak Ryno are the real one. But you see, Popcaan came in and gained all that Blak Ryno was supposed to get. Popcaan come get it. Alright, listen to the name because we have to go into that. No, we're not ready for the name yet. When we start the song, wanna remind me for bring up back Popcaan name. Remember, name is important. Madonna show to say old McDonald can't test Russian. DJ McDonald, DJ Mac. The deep and the J's from Donald after the Mac. Zine, so name is very important. Our Popcaan for Tessa Blak Ryno. Eh? Whether you want to go bullet, the Blak Ryno bullet, or the rhino, a real black color rhino, rhinoceros. Eh? Our Popcaan get crushed. So guess what go on now? May I tell you, say Popcaan is a mediocre thing. I'm telling you, say the earth are fixed, everything are level back, everything is mending. All that is good. Remember the last days, so Blak Ryno I get back in spot. That's why you see say Blak Ryno did have to join back in the Gaza. Popcaan don't like that because him came from a universe where the energy come from, where pick up Mosquito and where pick up Silbass, DJ Mac and Asian them. A Popcaan sort of bring that. A Popcaan bring that energy there from them time there, you know, from the universe where it's him coming, you know. You see me? Wherever I'm forward from, him bring that energy there. For kick out his whole intention and agenda was to get rid of Blak Ryno, take Blak Ryno. What them call it when you I forgot what them spirit swapping or something like so, soul swapping. When you can take, when someone is destined to be great, but you go in and do some obi or ritual thing and take with them this person's soul blessing. You notice how Blak Ryno go through whole heap of stress and in life just almost seem like it good on the drain. But you notice say Blak Ryno get for lift up and go foreign for go hide from the Jamaican crowd for the dancehall where this him. Cause remember, you know, the universe protect Blak Ryno all along too, you know, but they knew both God and the devil knew say Blak Ryno had some tribulation for conquer. But Popcaan I go start get back in tribulation and I go show you why the sign I show say Popcaan I go lose all him wealth. Because remember the Bible say a fool and his money shall depart. On the things that remember you know two type of people you have. You have the wise and the fool. Zine? So on the thing Popcaan are the wise one or the foolish one. I know say no for no I go say Popcaan wise because I'm the richest and I feel say it connected to money. But remember God say it is more easier for the camel to go through the eye of an eagle than a rich man to enter into heaven. And that means that just a few rich people will make it to heaven. And we know say Kartel are one of them. Because Kartel work hard for him money. You see me? And John no like nobody were lazy. And most of the dancehall industry lazy. Me I go show you how Popcaan lazy. Him sang them lazy. You know see it in him artwork. Them artwork talk. And the universe talk. Zane Popcaan no put no pressure in making his song them. Him just freestyle some little cheapskate words where him know from grade 3, where him do because him never there learn at school, you know. And him still not learn no great words. Notice him title name Insurgent, which means he is a rebel for like against the devil. Zine? So we know say that song a cartel it aim towards one way. It aim towards cartel one way. A cartel are the insurgent, you know, because a cartel of government a fight him and them thing there, you know. You see me? You have to know say a cartel enemy are governments. Me a show you them thing a long time. Nobody now fight Popcaan. Two little police them will go over St. Thomas and lock off him show. I'm friend them too. Enough of them I'm friend. Them not hurt him. That's why I'm go on. So him know him put whole heap of food in a them pocket. And him know so when him diss them so in a camera, the man say Boomba Popcaan bad. Him diss the police them and you know Jamaican police not play. And the St. Thomas police them not play. But guess what? They had to lock off the show there. But Popcaan him feed enough of them. So Popcaan was sure that they weren't going to violate him for disrespecting them. It was all an act for Popcaan. Zin? But the police, they may not see it that way. But guess what? Some of the police them know. Say, yeah man Popcaan, go and cuss. Cause we are look up, we are watch your head back. Cause remember, police are criminal too. Remember, so we police them in a gang too. Zin? With bad man. While them are police too. So we're not too strain of that. So may I show you say the energy, brother. Popcaan came to steal Blak Ryno soul, spirit, and all he had to claim. But the universe a fix everything and it a go back right round to normal. To Popcaan a go through film tribulation as we him supposed to go through. Zin, when put Blak Ryno through, him a go through it. That's why Blak Ryno a get back in spot, and we love how Blak Ryno humble. I shouldn't say spot, you know, because them a use a word there and say, yeah man, I'm also leopard. You see me? While we are the sheep, you see me? We are the sheep. Blak Ryno are the sheep. Yeah, we are not leopard. A Popcaan pull up like a sheep when him a leopard. You see me? So watch you know, me I show you, Popcaan have this arrogant thing about him, like him no respect no man and no man a him boss. You know, see say him no respect Kartel, cause the first show where Kartel put on, what Popcaan do? Popcaan bring 300 man strong with Chronic Law with him. That's why I don't even like Chronic Law to dog. I don't even like hear him name too. Zin, so watch you too. Popcaan pull up with 300 man, Chronic Law brother, and 300 man, and go tell Scatter tell Scatter forgot SYM. Zin, a Kartel first show. Zin, a Kartel first show. Remember, you know, all of them artists, most of them done, you know, a Kartel are the hunger, highly intelligent one, and Tamili, you know, Tamili brighter than all of them, you know. Mosquito dance too, you know. That's why Mosquito career resolved. So, alright, notice that Tommy Lee career never going a shamble from dissing one of the greats them. You mad? Him did this bounty killer, but the world know say I defend him, that defend himself, because we know say a bounty killer go provoke him. Zin, out of nowhere, the grumpy old McDonald. That's why you see it, the old DJ Mac tie back to the bounty. You can see the evil them dep on one side a channel the same way. That's why even look how popping a rate Kartel. Even after bounty a diss up Kartel and Gaza Nation a beat bounty. You know, see Popcaan go take picture with bounty and a show up himself. All of them their message Popcaan a send to Kartel say him a him own done. Zin? But Jamaica know say Popcaan is not him own done. And we know say Drake are your second boss. A two daddy Popcaan have Drake and Vybz Kartel. You see what I say? And we know say Drake now go take no side with Popcaan over Kartel. You see me? Drake I go rather tell Popcaan say listen, Popcaan, Drake have to go advise Popcaan how to come back and how to move, because Drake nah go ever take side against Vybz Kartel. Drake have go rather be friend with the two of them, Zin, and guess what? Drake I go sit down, I go have a sit down with Popcaan about all this disrespect. Zin, but so far, me are even sleek dancehall. Zin a good youth, a good vlogger, but him a one of them Gaza man who him a try to tell people say yo I probably stunt. Listen me, all of the Gaza vlogger we talk about and a real Kartel and Popcaan, them a scheme up something and a rave up something. Listen to me man. Popcaan no make Vybz Kartel no run down fake clout dog. Vybz Kartel now go create no clout or no controversy them weird. You see me, Vybz Kartel is a man where controversy naturally follow him. It's a natural selection thing, and the wheel done a spin with it from way in 2007-8. Zin, when the war start with him and mother, yo, from him enter the business, him are the most controversial artist. But we know when the wheel and the controversy start turn over hard for Kartel, and it never stop, even right through prison. Zin, so we know say Vybz Kartel don't no found not pay attention as Gaza vloggers and Gaza Nation and Gaza fans, you know. When not pay attention, Kartel don't need for sketch up no controversy plan. When Vybz Kartel tell the people them say yo 2026 master plan, we know say it's a money pre ma try go pan. Zin, money pre, cause him want make money like crazy.
And me go inna the garden for a money tree. If nobody love me make money love me. Me want go money like crazy. So me go inna the garden for a money tree. Go dig and reap the manly. Some sharp flowers a bush for boil tea. And all Santa flowers take long for beer. So me blood to one half of the tree. The Shira take rope for a tree. Me no man who run a lot of 30. And the name Shira. Yeah, tough. It's a sure 5G if nobody love me.
Yeah, tough. Sweating on me yaya bun me yaya dog. You see me? Sweat. So guess what go on? Me I show on the whole 100. I can't believe at 30 minutes me there a chapter. So the earth will replenish itself and I put Popcaan back out in a space where it belong. Cause space man, you see me? But him not have the alien brain. Him done, so I'm going to show you in him song. Popcaan nah put no farmer good work in him song. Him just a give it. Imagine you being a big artist there beside a Drake and you keep on constantly a sketch up some little cheap song and give your fans them and I give Jamaica Popcaan. Look on the little words them where him have in him song. Popcaan, yo, you see that song where him do to me, I show you a cheap. Me I show you a cheap. This is just a re-knock of him recent song where him do him most recent song. Popcaan take them fans them and him take the people them for a idiot. No farmer pressure him now putting at the song them feet. Get the people them. I just some nice melody him want people. They like a nice melody. Yeah, it working melody, nice song, but the song boring, brother. The melody alone I try struggle for keep it up. Zine, and guess what? That I go cause Blak Ryno for come take back him space because Blak Ryno I put more energy in him song. Popcaan I put energy. Popcaan just a makes two little easy word where we know from grade 3 done the whole him song. The biggest word in other song where Popcaan uses the name of the title. And I'm PR them, the people them who manage him career, them give him the word. Cause Popcaan, them word in a Popcaan vocabulary. You see me? Watch me, I show you what I go on. Insurgent, the song name. Then, and we know say insurgent is a rebel. Like cartel who fight government and them thing there. Popcaan is not of that. You get what me I say? Popcaan friend up the whole of Gaza enemy them when cartel go prison. Then, and cartel wasn't there for protect him, so I guess him did scared. You see me I say? But now that through him know say Jamaica worship money one way and we know he's affiliated with Big Drake. We know. So Jamaicans expect Jamaicans to frighten. Remember say a country Popcaan come from St. Thomas where my mother come from when me live enough time as a little youth. When my mother fly go a foreign and me a baby I down at St. Thomas Yallas and blood now C4 and them place them my mother left me with my granny them and my rest of family them from far side, you know. And I grew up in a them all bar and I'm cheese tricks as a baby, you know, dog. And when mother flying back, I forward back a town with my mother. Zane, where we live. Yeah. So St. Thomas I'm a place to big up St. Thomas Yalla C4. Miss Alma and my granny. Yeah, rat bite her on her tour back in 2005 and she dead. You see me? And then one of my next grandmother died in 2016. That my mother. You get what me I say? From down at St. Thomas. Yeah, 2016. Cancer she died from cause she usually spray the fertilizer. The same money song. You see how energy attract? The same money song. Say
I use enough manure and a lot of 30. The share of them take long for beer, so I'm pick to.
Yeah, go listen to the cartel live. Nobody love me. So the fertilizer, it killed my grandmother down at St. Thomas 2016. My grandmother was dead 2016. Zin? Yeah, because she usually spray the fertilizer upon the plant and do her like a farming for years. So it mess her give her lung cancer, you see me? Yeah, and she died while me I talk to her on the phone for the longest, almost the entire day me I talk to her. And she felt as if she was gonna go. So I get her blessing. And I could have seen through the universe before my grandmother thing there. Them powerful, you know. And my grandmother, them down a Yallas, I get them powers from, you know, and they are town with her, it keep me, you know, all through these years, you know. Zin? So what you know, me I tell you, say Popcaan power is strong. Cause I make a video, the whole of yesterday me I work on the video. Zin? And after midnight, last night, The first night, it could never be the last night. You see me? A mother gonna say in the last night, there's never the last night. There's a next night forward. So we always say first night. We not say last night. You see me? So watch this now. We got some boom zine. I'ma make the almost done the video, you know. This year, you know, review here, you know. And I chat up some things, you know. And now can get back the meds when I did. There are enough things and now I get back. So this is me, I spew everything and I try put it in a format straight for you. You see me for you understand and read up. Because just as Foot Type and One Kevin, them are arch enemy, but them can become friends too because them share the same qualities. I just that one when I fight for good and one when I fight for the bad energy. See, One Kevin I fight for the good, Foot always a fight for the bad. That's why I'm cuss Bunty, cuss Beanie, cuss Kartel, cuss everybody until him the father curse him and twist up his mouth for sure. He is a sign that for sure him say him talk too much. I saw sign and wonders work. Remember say sign and wonders the wise man them used to use for read earth runnings, you know. Cause earth have its own way of running. Zine, there are certain things in the earth where good shall overcome the bad. But don't feel like so the good are going to overcome the bad if the good not fight back. They can't turn the other cheek. No. So listen to me while I speak. So last night when I done make that video, you know, me I tell you say, yo, oh, what's you know? Till me drop asleep and told me excited for upload it and tired. Me wake up out of my tired sleep. Like me da go drop asleep 1:48 after me tired the whole day me up, you know. And me go jump up back 2:15 after midnight same way, you know. Just to show you the excitement in my mind for upload the video last night. Wake me up out of the sleep. The excitement for upload the video upon YouTube more powerful than the tiredness in my body last night. For sure, you don't have to study them thing there, you know, and no joke. Cause when you fall asleep under them tiredness there, and you know have nothing to make no loud sound around here, you know, I just your phone a load. You get me? And you wake up, you manage to wake up through the excitement in your mind, your soul not stray and go far, your spirit lie with you, and say, come on, a time to get up. See? And I suck up, me get up. And me I tell you say the Blur Not video. Let me tell you how the video get deleted. So because you see sometime when you want to upload a long lengthy video on YouTube or something, you have to make sure say enough space in your phone. So at that me I don't know. Me I look for the rough copy for got delete and end up got delete the real copy when me just making at the hours. I guess me tired and me foolish now. Something they tell me, you know, say, yo, don't just delete that rough copy there. Check it first and make sure say that the rough, long lengthy video where you delete. Make sure it's not the new one. But I say, no, man, the new one, it I got there in front because it just upload, right, to the phone storage, right, not to YouTube. So, I delete the old version of, long lengthy old version of the new editing when I make. Forget space to upload it on YouTube, right? And then I go delete it thinking that are the old one. So Popcaan all be a trans in. So I'm gonna show you something. We're gonna talk about this now, that song. Zin, we're going at it right now. Alright, watch ya. Bad black and white, Zin. I remember same name Popcaan. Popcorn. He's a corny guy. Corny. Right now, corn is another name for porn. So that's why Popcaan name a mix up in a porn business with a girl like Kayla. Zin, cause corn, popcorn, the corn, at the universe are talking, it tell me, corn is a new name for porn because you can't type porn on certain spaces in a social media, you know. So you have to use corn, the C, everybody do. So popcorn, him represent porn and all type of bad energy. Zin, watch this. Yeah, must say no boy and no boss for the unruly. I who fool him. So basically the first line, and when I first hear that song 8 years ago, you know, when it just dropped, you know, I know say Kartel a first line they go for. I'm even telling you in one of my video when I do from about a week ago when this drop, when I tell you no say Popcaan no smart, him dunce. Because if him did smart, him would never make a thought them, would have respect teacher and wouldn't allow Massacre taught them for distract him, for feel like him need for say this.
No boy and no boss for the unruly. 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 Pussy I make talk with the whole fool him. Man is so deep. Me nah no done na who ya man. 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 Me nah no done na who ya man.
And just through the alkaline, no emotion song, he make press him. For him come say this now for sure, Mosquito them and sure Alka them say him my own boss. But the fans them know say Drake are your boss and Kartel are your boss. We know that. Zin and Popcaan are this Kartel. When him said no boy and no boss no unruly, you see me, him this Kartel. You see me, I say, you have to understand, remember, you know, we are Jamaican, and I choose a boy, a country boy, I'm tell you why I don't know the runnings, in? Because here why I don't know the runnings. You see, as Jamaicans, we know, say, when one person change your life, them are our boss for life. You change your life from poverty for the Jamaicans are calling them boss for life. Real Jamaicans. So, but through Papi now, him come from out of the bush where him no member in place, dog. And I suck him in blurt not at all, but him not no boss. Remember as Jamaican, you know, one man change your life, him our boss forever, you know. You see me? And Popcaan sell out the thing, you know, dog. So me I show you all of the sign, the universe attack, and listen. You see me? Don't make no ears missing. We are going out here now. Zin? Watch out. Yeah, my people, so yo, watch you know, remember, you know, say yo, alright, so remember the first line where Popcaan say yo, me nah no done, unruly nah no boss, unruly, zin? That means say, him a tell Kartel, say, ya no my boss, cause me nah no boss. And him a tell Alkaline them, if Alkaline true no words about the Gaza boss and thing. Cause me say the vlogger them, me listen to and hear what them a say, and them a say Alkaline style the Gaza and them boss in a no emotion song. But me no know true it is, cause me no hear it for myself and read it up, see? But me know say Massacre this the whole Gaza, him deceive Popcaan, and Popcaan never this Massacre yet. Because you see here why Popcaan now this Massacre, cause them connected to the same energy, the same outer space where you see on your screen, and that's where Popcaan come from, like kryptonite. Zin? And him forward for infiltrate the Gaza, get out Blak Ryno. Me explain all of that too, no? Zin? Similar to the one Kevin and the footer hype. You see me? Very similar. You see me I say? And them play like them on the same team, because to separate the good from the bad, it's just a thin line, as I always explain to you, no need for overstand this thin line when I talk about, you know, because you can't see somebody who is just bad and quickly realize that them bad. because the bad can appear like the good and the good can appear like the bad. That's why enough I wanna love the artists them wanna love cause I wanna think them good. And enough I wanna love the bad one them were connected to the betrayal one cause that a go on the rap world now. The rapper them who a rap them friend, them a get whole heap of clout off it and the fans them a laugh when these rappers snake them bridging. You get me? I say go listen Pooh Shiesty, I one of my favorite them. I'm done telling no Kodak I'm my favorite too. Zine Pooh Shiesty, them one they will snake you, but him not snake him real friend them. But him shiesty. You see me? So what you know? Yeah, so then the second line with Popcaan I say no, you know, is him I say, who a fool ya man? That part they know, we know, that part they really are go to massacre and Alkaline as myself, Alkaline did throw a word at the boss and the whole Gaza. Because that's why Popcaan reply with that song, you know. From the whole clash with Tamale and what Mosquito say and what people are say and what no Alkaline them say, come say. Zine? So, it inspire Popcaan to do that song, yeah. But all the Popcaan song them are the same. You not hear no big words in it, nothing for teach you them. Even the little grade 3 pitney them I use bigger words than what Popcaan I use. For sure your Popcaan now learn. Him not try for upgrade the music by no means, and him want to be seen as an expensive, exquisite, and extraordinary artist. It no work so. Remember so when Vybz Kartel realize him rich enough time liquor sell and him doing blur thing there, you know. Him teachers pet and them thing there, you know. Remember Kartel I work harder now, you know, and I do 10 songs a day and him a make some blur song, you know, where we are better than the one them before. You understand? The more colorful, the more imaginative, and the more just with a brighter aspect. Zine? So Vybz Kartel always a upgrade him thing. And even when Kartel go prison and I give you, be like Adrian, be like Bearing, be like Adrian, yo, him never grown to them speed there yet. So the man a increase in talent and a increase in beauty, God, fellowship, prosperity. You see me? And deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power and the glory forever. That's why Vybz Kartel are the king of the show, head over all of the artists them from all Shaggy the man name of a place above. Because Kartel are bigger thing outside and inside of the world. You know, alien brain. I just, what you think? Sean Paul are the smartest if you avoid the show. Because Sean Paul avoid the show there because Sean Paul knows say Kartel would have seen in a bigger light than him, and Sean Paul want us to continue using name for debate against Vybz Kartel. Then, so now for see all of the tricks them. But big up to Shaggy for being humble enough to just hold him space and know say, yeah, you see me? Kartel are the man, make him gracefully enjoy his achievements and his reign in dancehall. You get what I say? Yeah. So the third line, I will say again for the third line. Alright, come here, we'll pull it up. We'll pull it up. The song nice, you know, I'm not lie. Alright, so I'ma make you know say the least little talk a man make a drive-by shooting. You see me? And you know say Mosquito say a bag of thing and them say Alka say a bag of thing. Zine? So him say a drive-by shooting. Bossy made fast, make man suit him. Bumbuckler, you see me suit. Bossy made fast, make man. Alright, him not really say nothing, but as me tell you, a melody, I wall up the song and how it, you know, and the things them way, how him a thing there. But it come like, yo, watch your part. Him a chop hard that one of the part, them in the second verse in our so, you know. But me I tell you, say the words them way I use is just a basic Popcaan. It never get any better. It just stuck at one part. Him career rise go one level, but him talent no move. Him not try move the needle. Him not try apply pressure. That's why enough new artists are forward and run round him, because them apply pressure. Or anybody who forward and apply pressure in the music, them are fly around Popcaan, because Popcaan need to add more additives. No care how mad it is to him music. You see me? So bossy made fast, make man sort him. Man sort him. Hear that? See the big line there? You see the big line there? Him not done. Cause the intro we just play, you know, when him say, no boy, you no boss, see the unroll boss, no fool him. Elise could talk, drive by, shoot him. Bossy made fast, make mad sort him. That are the intro. Man sort him. When made fast, make mad sort him. Man sort him. And then him say, me no done a who ya man. Cartel him attack, you see me? And when him say who ya man, when him say, me no done. Then that part there, it aim at Cartel. I tell Cartel say he's not my Dan anymore. You see me? Cause one Dan we know on a Cartel. You see me? We know say I do when I say one vice. You see me? One. You see me? That's why the Mosquito bite and I say one side. Because Cartel don't say one Dan from long time. Cartel I say one Dan. Then years after, I do when I now forward out and say one vice. And then now years, the Mosquito forward and say one side. One. You see me? And Cartel I say one from a long time. From another strong time. Now the youth them weak up, them have to thief something. You see me? So, yeah, so listen, watch out. Alright, watch out. Alright, you hear them line there? I right through the song him I use them little baby words there where him can remember from high school. And there's a few meds they are still, you know, Popcaan meds not left school. I don't even think him used to go high school and learn nothing. If him there go high school, him never there learn nothing. Because them word there are the last time him learn something. And we know as Jamaican say, them word there we might use the rural and urban and primary school word them here. You see me? None of them word there we might use in the song here. From out time out we must spit on a high school level word them. You see me? A uncle the title is a high school word. Yeah, where you can learn when you reach high school. Unless you is an exceptional kid growing up, you'll know some extra big words where your regular peers don't know or are accustomed to saying. Get what me I say? So, look here. I'll show you something plural and them thing there. I'm school. Steve Seagal, none of my gun, no legal. Donny and Cartel them, fuck out them word there, dog. Dancehall, fuck out them word there. The legal and Steve Seagal. Donny about 3 songs with Steve Seagal. You see me? Bruce lethal, lethal, Bruce lethal. Them no know. Yo, me I tell you, Popcaan nah put no good energy in him song. So me I say, film career I got stuck with there. I remember him there on Drake. Him supposed to apply pressure. Him supposed to bust him brain for formulate some formulas. You get what I say? For kick, you have to try bust again when you bust, you know. You see, you can't just give the people them song through your bust and you have name. You just give them something well lame. Cause you know, so them are going to react like a something big. Cause just through you big. But eventually, it'll take its toll and you have fall back down to the little size that you are. The 5'9". You see me? Yeah. No, him look like a 5'6" papi. You see me? So watch you know. So he must say bad like the Cuban. That is a word where dancehall don't fuck out again to. Cuban, Kartel, fuck out them word there. Movado fuck out them word there with the Cuban, all kind of Cuban. We don't want to hear them word there for now. Zine, and watch you know. We not diss the Cuban them, Zine. But remember say we are talking about Cuban links, Cuban chain and all of them thing there, you know. We not just talk about a nation of people, you know. But big up the Cuban them, cause most Cuban are doctors where we have to respect, where we know Jamaica. Big up the Cuban them, we love them. But me talk about the term being used in a song. Him even try to use it in a special way. Cause when Kartel use some lame word, him make the bar extra ordinary. So the little word becomes some atomic explosive, right? Not automatic, right? So Kartel make some little words be explosive, just like if you know go watch my video when I do where I title the #1 sharpest lyrics ever in the history of music. Go watch that video there. Zine, and you will see how Kartel make the smallest of words have the best lyrical bar ever in a music. The sharpest bar ever in a music. A Kartel of it. And an Eminem. You see what I say? So, watch you know. Yo, I suppose the baddest line that we use. Same skull can't cool off with coolant. See, a two bad line him have another song. Yeah. See, and guess what? Me not really amazed by them two line there, no. Me not impressed by this line here, but me I say for Popcaan, where me know say him is a low level thinker and a low he's not a high achiever, let's just say that. Right? He's not one of the high achievers, them. See, so me not expect him to forward with some words, but me just appoint them thing out now because him this the teacher. And I will not have it. See, just like twins of twins. And it's no joke. You can't diss the teacher. You know your old family tell you. Say if this a teacher, you must a fool. You go listen price when do last year. Zine? Must say if this the teacher, you must a fool. And that's why Tommy Lee have a school massacre and send him go school. And then beat him bad and send him for go coal. You see what I say? So now a Popcaan go get the beating, but guess who I go beat him? Vybz Kartel for send up Blak Ryno for get back in blessing. Him have to go get rid of the Popcorny guy. You get what I say? So me I tell you now. You see me? At the bet me could pull it up back a little bit. A boss Zane and beating him the Ku Klux and him touch the road with him tool and we don't go through most of them things, you know. He might touch the road with him tool and that we never say, cause we talk about the other two lines where him said before this, we did discuss it and explain it, you see me? Yeah, so he might call up all some place, you see me, and call up some bad man But nothing extraordinary, you see me? Bad like a cook and a Newland, you see me? Me I tell you say nothing exciting. You see me? I just a flow and the melody we him have. You see me? And the people them soon tired of one thing. Of this one thing. Papi have melody, you know, but that are just the one thing. I don't really have no bad lyrics. You see me? And Massacre just have the one flow. Massacre no lyrics neither. See, you see all Buju and enough of the people them we say a Massacre go lead the way forward with music cause him lyrical. They are a shame and disgrace to the music. Even Bounty where I claim to say Massacre is this greatness. Well, the only way that makes sense are true. The music water down, you know. Him little better than the rest of Newman them certain way, you know. See, you get what I say? Yeah, because he must stay out of trouble. See, and I like, because we see the people them prefer Chronicler over Massacre. You see what I say? We see that. But Massacre a good boy. He must stay out of trouble. So you're not going to see nothing really tamper with him career. Because him put him career before everything else. Him not put it on the line for be great. So him can't go be great. You get me I say? The baddest thing him do after throw to tune after Tamale in the war. You see me? I'm glad say the boy go fly past him nest cause him not deserve to dep on the Gaza. No time. You see me? Yeah. And then may I show you with the Popcaan thing why Zane, cause me a show you say Popcaan don't depend on the same level as intelligence like Kartel. And that's why them follow. No. You see me? And then Popcaan, this is a sign, you know, that song ya. He must show say Kartel can't talk to him certain way again because him not no boss. Who ya man? You see me? Alright, watch ya. Yes, so I must say him don't fear no nuisance, and with the talk about the bad line where him do. Say med can't cool off with no coolant. You get what I say? I baddest thing. As me say, not really surprising to me, cause me a lyrical genius. You see what I say? So them little line here is just that it's just that I know say Popcaan expectation them small. If me I look for something great from Popcaan lyrically, me not expect nothing too great or enormous. I just something like this. I know say yeah, give him a little tap on the wrist, you see me? But differently, him soft out, you see me, when it comes to lyrics. You see me? And a baby words him I use. And him not say Ku Klux Klan, him say Ku Clan. Which I show you say, him just a sketch up this little freestyle cheapskate song here for give people. Him not giving nothing, him a rob him fans them. You see me? You're big artist, give them something big. Stop with these little cheapskate little song. Well, little like your height. You see me I say? Alright, so I'm going to call up Tesha Miller name. I may tell you, I'm going to call up people and I'm going to call up them place. See, we are born, like Tesha Miller, we are born killer. Alright, you hear what the man say? Him say him gun them pretty like the rapper Glorilla. Which, you hear what him say? Him glock them pretty like the rapper Glorilla. And Glorilla is the most unattractive female in the rap game. Papi a make a disgrace of himself, dog.
I can't be up in her face, I took a nigga down. So when I
she start touch up her body what they do some little surgery, you know, cause she bust big and my boy they a manager, you know, CMG, that a Yogati. And remember say Yogati signed to Rock Nation. So basically Glorilla under Jay-Z banner, you see what I say? And then Remember, say Jay-Z and Drake not too friendly, you know. So Popcaan now really take the time out for know them thing there, you know. Cause he might give credit to Jay-Z and Yo Gotti when him do them thing there. You see what I say? So he must say him gun them pretty like the rap like man. Our flow is a man flow, but we love it. Me not lie, she bad. She bad pan the rapping. She bad pan the rapping. Better than enough of the man them dog. Our style way more cooler dog, not lie. But our arms them muscular enough pa. She kinda tough one way, you see me? And it mack her off our man look and our muscular arms and them thing there. So Popcaan know him dance. Like me I tell you say him dance it low level. You see me? And watch you know, you see the chorus here? As me tell you, say the song is a cheapskate song. Because here why is a cheapskate song. Look here, may I show you? Money, 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 money. Money, you know a money song. I eat this for the new year. For the new year. Money man want for the new year. For the new year. Watch and see. I'ma show you. Is a cheapskate song this Popcaan give you know dog. You think the man put no work in this? This is just the man rewrite over back in money song. You see me? And how you for this the done? I say you know no boss and not done. When a cartel you follow make New Year song. True cartel go do the song. 2025 get unalive. Now 2026. You see me and Popcaan run go do for the new year. Money man want for the new year. For the new year. Money man want for the new year. Money, money, money. And this him do over back in other song. Yeah. You see me? Him not put no effort in him song them is what I've been exposing to you guys. So I hope you see clear, positively clear. The people in the world keep forgetting them past, so them gone astray. Stray dog, gone astray. Watch the signs. Zine? Alright, watch ya. Alright, you see when him say him don't fear no nuisance. Must surprise Papi of that word in him vocab. You see every word where him saying at the song, him is a word where him use Zane as much as possible. Zane, so don't look for Popcaan really talk no big word out of him mouth. Because if you watch him interview them and when him are talking on the public, you can see say him lack confident in speaking. Because him not have much word in him vocab. So him know. Zane, and that's why him not really talk much when him around brilliant minded people. You see me I say, him have to around some ghetto youth where just for fun and laugh, cause that him have to stick to with a craft. You know, get joke and laugh. So may I show you something now, Zane? May I show you the nuisance. Me surprise him up that term the in him thing there. Although we are use that term there from me a baby, me I use the word nuisance like a toddler because you see through a Kingston me grow. That is what most of the people them like my parents and the older folks when in the evening time or morning time when the mosquito them come out, you know, or in the evening when the sunfly them come out, you know, a nuisance our older parents and other older folks would refer to the mosquito and the sunfly as nuisance. So from me at baby me I hear that term then I get familiar with it, right? And I use it from me a baby. But I'm surprised Popcaan know it, I'm sure know say I want a Popcaan recent word them this way him add to him vocab because you know to hear him use that word ever. And the rest of word them when him use in that song yeah, I regular him use them in him rest of song them. Tell me say him not talk about Cuban in him next song them. Tell me say him not talk about Steve Seagal illegal or legal. Zine, tell me said him have enough song with them, they are the same word them. Him need to do some reading to man, you see me? Whole heap of reading Popcaan. And that's why him on Vybz Kartel after thing there, you know, fall out what the year, you know, in a comment section because Popcaan not so educated, him not so bright. Zine, because if him did have sense, him wouldn't say what him say. Zine? And guess what? It can seem purposeful to, you know, like the boy did already a gear up for this the teacher, you know. Cause me a show no say him got Freedom Street, bring 300 man, Zane, 300 man, and tell Scatter for SYM. Now you know say Scatter and Kartel have a chat about this man here after what him do. Because that makes Scatter say you see it do a Kartel. Yes, Scatter already got to Kartel and them sit down and chat about it and Scatter make Kartel know say you see it though. But tell us that boy there go F up, you know. Because Kartel, listen, pre this, Kartel make a post and say, yo, thinking of a master plan. You know who did say that? The CM song will say, so contagious. Yeah, so Vybz Kartel basically I tell him say, yo, thinking of a master plan in the post. Zane, and on a see Kartel with him cigarette a smoke, which me don't tell you know. Me could have never make a mistake that what Popcaan make. Because if you go back and watch my video from a week, 2-3 weeks ago, Zane, this is what I say in my video. And not because I say it then, it already did in my mind and I done see it from long time. Because I did done see a Kartel a smoking cigarette in a prison. So me end up make the talk in one of my video over a month ago now, or about 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks and hard. Then I make sure, make it clear, say, yo, anyway, Kartel need him cigarette, you know. And him thing there, and him smoking, I make sure say craving here. Yeah, me did make sure say anyway Kartel go him need him craving here. Oh no, remember say Kartel did even make a post and say yo, we can get me some craving here right now. And a bag of people and the comedian them do skit and say Kartel, see the cigarette, see the craving here them here. Till him get it, somebody end up bring Kartel the craving here in America where him them Miami, Florida, wherever. You see me I say. And so me I show you say you should have see them thing that say Kartel love him cigarette. I'm craving here. But however, me make the talk and make it clear in a video where me make it clear say anyway Kartel go him need him craving here because of it help him burn off time. And the craving here burn off time with Kartel back at the cell for 13 years, you know. So craving here is loyal to the man. Craving here is like a friend and companion to the man, you know. Not us that was outside here living our best life. Zine, the craving here was. But because I tell you, say, Papi is not of the same intelligence as I am to know how to deal with the teacher. That's why if Papi and Kartel are going to mend back things together, wipe on the back. Them not for men forward them thing together. Me no want that. The universe have fix everything. Papi have to go one side completely because it have to set forward. You see me? Remember, you know, as my show no Popcaan forward in the Gaza for infiltrate it and kick out Blak Ryno. That's why I'm favor Blak Ryno. So he was made and sent from the galaxy stars somewhere from out of Mars. It look like Zane or the Milky Way. Time name Popcaan, right? And him goes so boom. Interrupt. This is not joke, you know. It may not be from the Milky Way and whatever outer space. Wherever I'm come from, there's an energy. There's an energy. Alright, watch this. It sent him right into the Gaza for go get out the energy where rule Popcaan was jealous of Blak Ryno. They wanted to be the Blak Ryno. That's why I'm short, so. And that's why the energy make him shape, so. Zine, because there's good and bad energy. There's always good over evil. One Kevin are the good one, you know, and Foot Type are the evil one. The universe bind them together for clash. Zine, and the universe make sure arm Kevin. It make sure arm one Kevin with the proper tool, the loud voice so everybody afraid of. Same way does for Gaza uncle, because the universe knows that Gaza was made undefeated, omnipresent, omniscient, or omnipotent, right? So Gaza unstoppable by natural selection within there. You get what I say? So watch out, the energy. And that's why the same energy with the look-alike thing are going, you know. Popcaan favor Blak Ryno. It send them. So watch out now. I'ma show you something. No. Then I'ma try get out the teacher, you know. I'ma go see what I go. I'ma go on. Money, you gotta hear that flow they come in, cause I basically, you know. Money, madu sorting, money, so for the new year, money man want for the new year, it in the song, money, Yeah, I'm gonna Moby. I remember, you know, Tesha Miller, Kartel, Calabar, schoolmate, brethren, you know. You see me? And I call a Kartel links them, I call up, you know. Remember, say Kartel and Tesha, them are brethren from Calabar days, you know. You see me? That's why when Kartel and Tesha link, the government, them try frame Kartel, say, him a do crime with them. When I just a virgin, I threw them a school virgin from them time there. Enough people never know. Say Tesha go Calabar, you see me? Yeah man, a this so man Kartel a virgin from them time there, you see me? And through Kartel go boss and Tesha go see say him school virgin a succumb the connection make. You see me? Yeah man. You see, say all of the word them are some simple word. Kartel fuck out them word they to craving here. You see me? Them like a craving here. Yeah man, you don't know. Every Kartel word that craving here, sealer. And you see it, him even say craving here in this. That mean to say, cause you see it, the sign, universe attack. Him say craving here another song here. So we shouldn't make that fly over our head. Because, and you see what kind of talk. Me tell you know, in my past video, say Popcaan purposely. And he knew that he wanted to get Vybz Kartel upset. That was his sole purpose. And because Vybz Kartel knew, Vybz Kartel did the right thing. Vybz Kartel give him what he wanted. You see me? Because him no want no done. And that Popcaan basically a tell Kartel, you know. See? So him do him like a stunt. Because if you check the comment, you know, after Kartel post up him thing and say, for the thinking of a master plan. See? You know say, you hear the song I'm sing, you know say a big thing. You see me? And then now, this man a Popcaan, him go forward about master plan of a stop smoke craving here. You know, she said that is a disrespect. The only reason why you don't see it as a disrespect because you dunce. You see, if you're highly intelligent, you'll know. Because first of all, you see a man with a big man and you see him action, you see where him love, you see him have a craving here day to day, every day. So who is you for go tell that man, say for stop? Who is you? Are you him done? Hey, me tell them, you know, Popcaan understand himself. Money get to him and he don't understand himself. Don't understand himself. And you don't see for no things. Come here no found about one comment make Kartel of one, so you never rate Kartel. You move from here, so. I see him way me get mad with my friend them when them a come and give me good advice where if you know say me no want to hear them advice there. Cause suck yourself. Simple as that. Him call up a bag of place and him call up Charlemagne name. You see what I say? Him call up Charlemagne name. Yeah, because maybe Kartel do the interview. You see me, because everything tie back to Kartel, you know. Kartel do the interview on Breakfast Club. And the brother who host the Breakfast Club interview, one of the youth them named Charlemagne. They have DJ Envy, and now you know have what's your name? Angela Yee no more. You know have Angela Yee no more. You have a next one when named Jessie Larius. She was a TikToker, a popular TikToker, and she made it through to the show, getting the job there. You know, and there's a next female as well. So they have to use 2 black girls to replace Angela Yee. You see me? Yeah, man. Angela Yee, yo, she skilled, she designed for that. You see me? Bite them like python. Him not say nothing in the drain. And yo, I be a foolishness. I don't really want to listen to more of that song, you know. You see what I say? Because him just a flaunt him riches and him wealth. And that him basically a do. Him not give no music. I know music him a do, you know. Him just a show off. It's a poppy show. Pre the signs. Remember, you know, poppy show. It's a poppy show. You see what I say? So I don't feel like say nothing like that. You can't take them money and music serious. A joke thing. Bygones be bygones, and boy, me I tell you. Tell me now, one more me for say. Alright. Let me see now. Alright, so guess what go on? If you notice how the song start, in the video, him up on a quad bike with a training wheel, you know. Training wheel. Signs of a training wheel. A whole heap of signs that to that video, yeah. You see me I say? Whole heap of signs, and I have to look for them. But that song is basically money. For the new year, money man want for the new year. For the new year, I this him sing over. Yeah, so him even call up him sister name, and you know. The fame I get to fear her head to, you know, dog. Cause I see she come out and I go on like she bad and the wickedest thing. I don't know why these female love going like them are the wickedest thing. So, you know, we see say Mosquito war with Tamili Wadia. Zine and Tamili have beat him. And a climax will make her name in him face. I come out and I go on bad. That Tamili have to say,
yeah, be me mother love me, a big man a war when I go and go sit down, bitch. Me aim for kill and if nobody love me. Bumbleclad. You see me?
yeah, dog. Cause it's like climax and look something, you know, dog, from Tamili, you know. You see me? Big man thing. You see me I say? And everybody I say, oh, the Mosquito fear ball about Gaza, Kim and Vanessa Bling and him not ball for climax. Eh? And Junior Gang tell you say the only thing him a cry for the poor ghetto youth them. And the baby mother with the youth them. See me? As I tell you, say Glorilla, she are very unattractive, you see me? And I go show on her, you see me? If you don't know, what cracker strike. And I show on all the Tamili thing there. Tamili. When Tamili say, oh, you for this a teacher, you're a fool. And Popcaan always a this the teacher, dog. You know, see Popcaan ever this the teacher. Blak Ryno, nah, this the teacher, certain way, dog. The thing I forget one way. You know, say Popcaan make Blak Ryno. Me tell you, say it was all Popcaan doings make Ryno feel one way. Can imagine you and your father link so tight till a next picnic come from out of nowhere from a next woman enter on your life, and then your father just drawn to him so. honor you and your father all along, and then you get kicked out, you go angry. You go angry because you are the first. So Blak Ryno go end up with the last too. I tell you, say, Popcaan I go last. Somewhere my last go back in my universe. You see me? Or in my mother purse. Money, and the sort him. Money, man sort him. Money, man sort him. For the new year, money man want for the new year. For the new year, that him a do brother cheap song, him a give him a sketch up some cheap things dog a give it. And him a big expensive, blurt not supposedly exclusive artist. We are giving them like a easy 1, 2, 3. Easy 1, 2, 3. Him a alka the same thing, you know. Him a alka the same thing. Believe me, that's why you know so the similar them always a war. Blak Ryno, Popcaan, them similar. See, hear me, Blak Ryno, Popcaan, yeah, them similar, cause them short and stout alike. But here oh, you see Alkaline him tall, but here oh Popcaan similar with Alkaline. The same business where the girl them come and talk about from Popcaan. I say him do this and him like that and him love. You see what I say? So him similar in a them thing there with Alkaline. And similarity always will kick off, you know. See? Yeah. Believe. For the new year. For the new year. Money man want for the new year. For the new year. Money man want for the new year. Mother sort him. Money. Mother sort him. Money, mother sort him. For the new year. I the same damn thing, brother. Nothing changes, nothing different. You know, see the period. You see him on the quad bike a while ago. So Tommy Lee, you hear what the universe make play next. Fixing business theme. And me, the universe, I tell for fixing business. But guess what? Me have to tell Kartel for send Blak Ryno theme. I in Blak Ryno for go for now, you know. Because Mosquito don't get destroyed, the swamp dry up, everything fly up, you see me? Yeah, die up. They went in the sky up, you see me? Fly, you know you say Zion them gone. Where Zion there? Now Africa them say Zion there. You know you say Zion them there. Cause them dead, brother. Them dead. You see me? And the one I go back to where him come from too. Just like the Mosquito we gone as Zion. From the hell Lord blood clot beat him, kill him. I even could accept him. Zion have to accept him. I'm going back to Zion when I get home. On the other side, I'm gonna take chain skull and wire brain. And all the people, good morning. I'm gonna meet and greet them, darling. I'm gonna sit down and rest a little while. It soon be done. By in Zion, when Mosquito get old. On the other side, Tommy Lee gonna kill and send them to the elders. He gonna wake up the people, good morning. He gonna sit down beside his Jesus. He's gonna sit down and rest a little while. Yeah, you see me? So they say, you know, anything missing, we'll drop it in our next one before somebody go prison. Want to sort him?